How you doing, guys? Welcome. Well, I'm gonna get straight into this, but then before that, actually, I guess I lied. I'm not getting straight into this. A little background. I've been shopping with AliExpress for about a few months now, and the first items that I got were actually those coin slab cases for my coins and bullions. There's these little cases right here. They make it the display looks great. But those are the few items that I got. But on AliExpress, they've been you know advertising the $1.99 deals that for a special offer on items that normally cost between, I would say, $5 to $15. They reduce them to $1.99, and it's free shipping, and they deliver uh, approximately, they said 12 days, 12 business days. So this packet right here, I ordered 2 weeks ago, and I did get this in a couple days back. So there it goes. So I'll get straight into opening it, and I'll show you what I got. I'm not gonna, review and go through every product. I'm just gonna showcase what I did get on the $1.99 deals that AliExpress got. So here we go. Okay. All right. So it's a bag, but then another bag. Okay, there we go. All right, first item that I did order, I know I order, is this wall charger adapter, and I believe it's the USB 3.0 wall adapter. So pretty simple, nifty, $1.99. Yeah, I'll take it. And I believe that's a Type C, direct Type C. So I'm hearing all these new phones and gadgets, they're coming out with, instead of USB 3.0 or 2.0, it's actually Type C connection. So makes a good use right there. So yeah, wall charger, $1.99, pretty good deal. And then this one right here is, I believe, the universal Ratchet adapter connection. Yeah, I guess you could call that, but you see right there, the concept is pretty simple. The concept is all these little rings or beads, when you put it on a nut. Yeah, I said nut, but yeah, if you put it on a nut, and the hex shape of the nut will actually crease into all these hexagonal adapters, whatever. But yeah, I don't have a hex bolt to test it, but pretty cool. I guess I could just see if I could put my finger in it. Yeah, I mean, it's spring loaded, so you would have to press use force on it. So when you put it on a nut, you just press down on it, and it'll conform to the shape of the hex nut. Pretty cool. $1.99 deal. Yeah, it's I definitely steel, as in material. Let me get a magnet. Let's see. It's not a cheap aluminum or fake steel. Look at that. So I'm using a earth magnet from a hard drive, so that's why it's all right. So there it is, $1.99. Good deal. Next up, I got this, basically phone or electronic equipment prior opener kit. pretty nifty. I'm not gonna go through everything that's in there, but yeah, for me, I'm the type to like to open and try to, see what I could do. I'm not an expert or anything in electronic gadgets, but I like to be able to, open up and repair, at least try to repair what I can. But yeah, $1.99. It has a bunch of tools, everything, so it's pretty cool. Next up is, let's see, all right, yeah, basically bicycle pump or hand pump. There you go. Simple bicycle pump. It comes with the adapter, so you could, blow up balloons, blow up your inflatable balls. I actually got this to be able to blow up, balloons for my daughter and blow up her those inflatable, what do you call it, pool toys. So pretty cool. $1.99. Yeah, pretty worth it. And then right here is actually a USB Type-C cable, but the reason I definitely got this is because yeah, it's a good size cable. I believe it's more than 1 meters long, maybe up to 4 feet. But the reason I ordered this is this right here. It has a LED display. I believe it displays the actual voltage or wattage that, if you use a wall adapter, it'll, show the voltage or wattage that it's charging from. If you plug this into for example, a power bank, it'll show you how much power it's outputting or inputting to it, if you want to call it that. But yeah, there's USB display right there. I mean, not USB, but digital LED display. So pretty good. $1.99. Next up, which I already have, digital scale for weighing my coins and precious metals, but I order another one because the one I have only goes up to, I believe, 200 grams. This one is rated to go to, I believe, 500 grams. I like to say, but yeah, that's the reason I ordered another one. And unfortunately, just opening it, you can see I open it live in front of you. There's a crack in the case, but it's just a case, no problem. You can see right there. Yeah, that's just aesthetics, but I'm not sure if the battery is on. But yeah, I would have to install the battery to check, but I believe, yeah, this is a 500 gram weight max capacity compared to the current one I have, which is only 200. So yeah, put a little more weight to that. $1.99. Good, handy pocket scale. All right, next up. Now this is another scale that I got, and the reason I got it is because I remember checking in my suitcase in an airport, and I did it the old-fashioned way where I held the suitcase. I believe what they said, 75-pound max, or just depending on what airline, 50 or 75. But I would carry the suitcase and stand up on the scale, you know, which the actual, what do you call it, the precision is not that precise. You can be either under or over 5 pounds, and which is 5 pounds. That's a lot more goods that you can put in if you're under, but then the scale is showing over. But yeah, so I got this one. This one right here is you hook it up, and then basically you lift it and you get the measurement, the weight. I forgot the actual max weight of this. I believe it's over 100 pounds, definitely. I could be 150 or 175, but I'll look back into it. But yeah, pretty good. It's basically called a hand scale. So $1.99, pretty good. Then next up is, let's see what this is. Forgot what this is. Oh yeah, this is one of those sealers, plastic sealers. I have yet to try this, but I've seen it. It looks pretty cool. I guess you're able to reseal your plastic airtight. It's not a vacuum seal, but it just reseals the plastic how it looks like when you're opening a brand new or whatever. But yeah, pretty cool, pretty handy. I have yet to try it out, and maybe I'll do reviews like I will do the reviews on the other products here. But yeah, $1.99. Okay, any more right here? Oh yeah, I got this right here. It's a nice little phone stand, but the reason I got it is when flying on an airplane, the seat rest. I want to be able to have something where I could hold up my phone, hook up to their Wi-Fi, and watch a movie. And I believe this is how it's works. I have to see how it actually works, but yes, I'm not sure how it. All right, well, the concept of this is you're able to put it in the backrest, or the, what do you call it, the I'm having flight farts right now, brain flight farts. Yeah, you put it on the back seat of the the passenger in front of you, and you're able to watch movie on it. But yeah, nice little phone holder stand for it. Yeah, I don't want to mess with it now without looking more into it to see how it's used or fold out. But yeah, that's all it is. It's a phone stand for the airplane. They call it a flight phone. There it is. Pictures. See, that's how you put it on. And something like this. But yeah, there you go. That'll explain what you do on a flight. So there it is, $1.99. Okay, I believe that is it right there. Oh, there's. Let me make sure I get everything out. Okay, I believe that's everything. Well, last item that was in the bag is this right here. Is a rotary saw blade set. Has a different, as you can see, it has different steel circular saw blades, and you put it into your rotary machine, or I've seen them use on drills too. It's just as long as the drill is able to bite onto the adapter pin right here. But yeah, they're mainly used for a rotary machine, and you get do some cutting. So I just got that, $1.99, and I figure, hey, I'll just get it. But there it is, guys. That's all my $1.99 deals that I got from AliExpress. I'll try to do a review on each of the items that I got, except for, like I said, the one I already got. But yeah, these are the items that I got for $1.99 from AliExpress. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Peace.